I'm not the fastest, I'm not the strongest, I'm not the most flexible, I don't jump high, but you know, to achieve this kind of record for me is one of the proudest things in my job, because it is my job, and that means that I did it well. The moment of the World Cup final is, I think for all of us, the 23 players that were there, is the peak of our career, without any doubt. I mean, in that moment, Fernando Torres had the ball on the side, and he was trying to aim across to Andres Iniesta. And I don't know, don't ask me why, but I will always remember that. I had the feeling that the defender was going to make a mistake. And thankfully, for whatever reason, it did go where I exactly predicted and I wanted the ball to go. And from there, it was not the most beautiful, it was not the most amazing assist, but a simple pass broke the line. It got us the World Cup, which is the best memory we could all have.